Engineered for the biggest jobs, SlabCart Pro is more than just an installation cart. It was designed as a securing platform to handle large slabs, including mitered edges, throughout the full transport and placement process. The SlabCart Pro functions as a structural brace, securing loads during transport and placement. This eliminates the need to transfer to multiple devices, resulting in less handling, less strain on the crew, and a reduced likelihood of damage or injury. With a unique telescopic design, the SlabCart Pro can quickly adjust its length to fully secure super jumbo slabs with mitered edges. Engineered for demanding applications, it is a modular platform specifically designed to accommodate and secure the largest slabs. With full 360-degree tilt capability, the SlabCart Pro is designed to position a load for both transport and placement. The 6-wheel, 29.5-inch wide leg design allows slabs to pass through standard 30-inch doorways, with the legs positioned outside the slab to preserve valuable clearance. Independently operated by 12-volt drill batteries, the SlabCart Pro can lift and lower a load up to 14 inches for precision placement directly in place. This eliminates the need to slide slabs and helps prevent damage to mitered edges, cabinetry, and underlighting. With locking casters and over 20 designated anchor points, the SlabCart Pro can be locked down and secured for transport. Engineered lifting points allow the cart to be hoisted by crane when jobs require specialized placement, eliminating the need to transfer to an A-frame. Designed for demanding tasks, the SlabCart Pro provides balanced 360-degree tilt, push-button electric lift, and secure transport in a single system. It is engineered to safely handle, transport, and place the largest slabs with precision and control.